Hi, I'm John Chan, the Senior Lab Manager here at Reviewed, and today we'll be reviewing the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. The J9 Plus has a feature called Carpet Boost, which allows it to automatically adjust suction based on the surface area it's cleaning. Another notable feature is that the base automatically suctions out the dustbin into a self-sealing bag, so you never need to touch, smell, or see anything unpleasant when you empty it. Here are some things that we like about the iRobot J9 Plus. It has superior floor cleaning. During testing, it picked up around 9.45 grams of crumbs per run. That puts it in the top 10% of all the robot vacuums we've ever tested. It also aced our pet hair test. It suctioned up all of the Bernese mountain dog hair we put out for it without getting any tangles or clogs. It's also smarter than other robot vacuums. It has a feature in which it makes note of areas of high messes and gives them an extra pass. It also has crazy good navigation. The J9 Plus has a forward-facing camera powered by machine learning. It's able to recognize objects like headphone cables and avoid them, but it also knows how to go underneath things like desk chairs. iRobot also promises poop, the pet owner's official promise. The J9 Plus will not run into any pet accidents within the first year of its operation, or they'll replace the entire thing for free. The app also offers human-centric smart features. The J9 Plus uses the iRobot OS platform, which is really easy to use. It has clearly labeled sections. Most notably is the Drive Carefully feature, which basically tells your robot to definitely don't bump into anything or drive really gently. So if you've got a room full of delicate furniture or like pet bowls or anything like that you don't want disturbed, you can just click a button and tell your robot to drive more carefully. While we really like the J9 Plus, there are a few things that we had issues with. Most notably is that it can be startlingly loud. It reaches sound levels of around 68 decibels, which is as loud as like a full-size vacuum when it's running. It's also loud when it's on its highest suction settings. That's to be expected, but if you're home and you want a really good clean, it might disturb your conversations. We want a wooden tray. The combo J9 Plus, the mop and vacuum variant, has a wooden tray on top of its charging base that allows you to store objects on it, making it way more useful. The J9 Plus does not, and we don't understand why. Overall, the pros are, it offers superior floor cleaning, the navigation is crazy advanced, and the app offers human-centric smart features. While the cons are, this Roomba can be startlingly loud, and we prefer it to have a wooden tray. So, should you buy the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus? Yes, we think it's the best robot vacuum you can buy right now. As of this filming, the J9 Plus is the highest scoring robot vacuum to date. At $900, it's the perfect meeting of style and substance. It has great performance while also combining it with a sleek, human-centric UI. Whether you have messy kids or a dog that won't stop shedding or a ton of tight corners in your home, the J9 Plus will work in your home. For the full review and other robot vacuum reviews, head over to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.